Hello, welcome back. Bacon wrap Italian stuffed peppers. You heard me. Bacon wrap Italian stuffed peppers. And although these are Italian inspired, because this is an original recipe that put together, the good news is that I'm going to explain to you throughout this video of all the ways you can prepare this bacon wrap stuffed peppers. So you want to make it Mexican, Puerto Rican, by matter of changing things around a little bit. You want to make a southern or soul food style or seafood style. Just listen to the video, we explain things like that. But before you go anywhere, make sure you hit the like button. Share this video so others can benefit and learn from it. And you have any ideas or comments, please don't hesitate and provide your views in the comment section. I will reply to all of them. Make sure you subscribe too. So go nowhere. Let's create. So the two key ingredients are going to be the two peppers and it's going to be the bacon. Look at this beauty. This is pork bacon. You can go with whatever bacon you want, but I want pork. And I bought this at a local butcher in Central Virginia. The Meat Hook is the name of the butcher. If you click the title of this video, it's going to take you to a description. I'm going to have the link. They have very nice meat. Very, very nice meat, beef, chicken, whatever. Now, when you stuff these peppers, and this happen to be Italian peppers, you can use whatever type of pepper you want. You just want them long so you can wrap up. You wanted them to be like this, that they look like this, structure-wise, so you can wrap the bacon easily. You don't want the bell ones because it won't work here. But I went Italian, but you can use any ingredient that take it to whatever cultural meal you want to create. My point is the ingredients that come now are based on the fact that I wanted to go Italian. And I went Italian, and one of the reasons is the supermarket, when I went, it was going through some shortages. All of them were. At the time I was creating, this time of the, I'm creating this video here in January 2022. And I like high quality meats when I eat and nutritious and healthy. So I had to go with what I could work with and what I wanted to eat. In another word, Italian, well, that means that I have some uncured diced passetta, no preservative, no that crap, no additive. I had this uncured diced pepperoni, so I staying Italian. Same reasons. I had some thyme. I have some basil, keep it this Italian. And I have a small tomato which I dice. This is ripe, which is the way I want it. And I have some extra virgin olive oil. And I went Italian to stay with the theme. Now, if you wanted to go southern, you could have changed the ingredients to fulfill these peppers. If you want to go Mexican, maybe you wanted some refried beans and fill the stuff with the refried beans and some other meats. You could have go soul food, soul food. And if you do that, you probably would have go with seafood or something like that. You could have gone Puerto Rican with ground meat or ground pork. It doesn't matter. What it matters is the process. But if you have any questions, you can go to the comments. If you wanted to try with something, a different culture, and I'm aware of that culture, I can explain to you and give you some ideas. So use the comment section for that. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating a canoe, some sort of canoe. Cleaning the inside a little bit. Carefully, you know, it's not hard. I'm using a paring knife to do that. Because I want to stuff these babies. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just work a little bit on it. Take the seeds out. Mine broke a little bit intentional because I want to show you that it's not a big deal. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill it out with the kind of meat that you want, or vegetable if you want to go vegetable, vegetarian. And this one I'm going to do with the pancetta. Just fill it out. See how it's looking? So I fill it about 3/4 of the way, maybe 80%. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some tomatoes. Some of the diced tomato. You see my hands are clean. And this is for me anyhow, so otherwise I'll be using a spoon. See how beautiful it looks? Put a little bit of thyme. Not a lot, just a little bit. Give that aromatics. See how beautiful? And what I do is I put a tiny bit of basils. See how it looks? And now I'm going to wrap a bacon around. And the bacon is going to keep things together. This is nice looking bacon too, by the way. This one side. So I'm going to use 2 pieces of bacon to do this. Same thing here. Look at this beautiful canoe. One thing you notice, I didn't cut this. And another thing you will notice, I didn't use salt because both meats here are relatively salty. And the bacon is going to give it a flavor anyhow. So they're ready to go. I have a glass container, you can use any. I put aluminum foil on this one, you don't have to. I'm going to put a couple drops of my extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to float it around. I don't want things to stick too much, just in case. This is a precautionary measure, if anything, because the bacon is going to create their own grease anyhow. But I wanted to create this precautionary method. I have the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's preheating right now. And when it's ready, I'm going to put this in the oven. So I did under 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the final line. And what you do now, you take it from broil from bake, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you take it from there and you switch it to broil. High, start, and you're going to watch it a little bit. So let me do 5 minutes first. Let's make it 7. And then you take it to how you like your bacon. If you want a little bit crispier or not. I'm going to put 7 minutes, and then I watch it and take it from there. And this baby are ready. So once again, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then about 5 to 7 minutes in high broil. And bingo.